This is not a die, even if it looks like one. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. If you are a self-defining geek, passionate about creating, this is the place for you. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon, that way you don't miss anything. This is not a die. It uses the form factor of a die, but it isn't. It is a life counter. And unlike a die, where all numbers are spread out as much as possible, on this one they are next to each other and easy to find. They are used in games like Magic the Gathering, where the player has lives, and it shows how many lives they have. And each time the player loses a life, the die is removed one step, and thereby it shows the current lives, keeping track of the game state. This may seem like a very modern and specific use, but it's in no way the first time a die has been used to keep track of the state of the game. In backgammon, a game that's many hundred years old, we use the doubling cube. A die is marked with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. It's used to keep track of the stake of the game, and whoever is in charge of changing that stake. So this one is never rolled, but it's just a device to keep the game state visible for all players, just like the modern life counter. To get to know more about different kinds of dice and randomness, there's a playlist over here with all the episodes. And if you like this and would like to help out, then become one of the Creative Geeks by subscribing and sharing this video with a friend. It really does make a difference and I really appreciate it.